Triton, come here, buddy.
Cindy, come here. Come.
Sit.
Come.
Now, what do I push?
Come here.
Easy.
Oh,
Easy.
that's funny.
What do I push?
This.
Let him eat it. This is hysterical. This is so
Funny.
funny.
You eat at him, Grace?
I'm aiming it at him.
You gotta be kidding.
He likes it. Oh, he likes it a lot.
You don't need to eat the candle.
Okay. What is that, Triton? Here, cut some off for him so he can eat. Watch Triton,
Okay.
stop. Oh.
What is that? It's soft. Is it like ice cream?
It's from the
Hey.
dog bakery.
Triton.
Yeah.
On the chair, no lettuce.
Okay, so okay. Sydney a plate, and she can have hers. She'll be fine, good.
It's dog cake.
It's me, yeah, it's me at the
Dog
bakery.
cake, she'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't have any problem with that as long as she
Here, move so we can put
doesn't
it.
get assuring.
Oh, you're gonna build it.
We'll cut off some of it on our own plate.
She should be at the other end.
You think? Oh. You want to put her down here?
Yeah, Sydney, eat those. Here, Sydney.
Here, baby. Oh, no, she's got to leave the table, Dick. Dick,
Stop.
no, up here. Come on. Come on, she'll be fine.
Happy birthday, Triton.
You're gonna live a little, dude. Oh, does he ever? Here, Sydney, girl. Can you get up on the chair? Up, Sydney. Up.
Look at that dog.
Up.
Look at him go.
Sydney, looky.
Oh, that is so
Oh,
good.
Triton.
Do it
It's
slow.
slow. It's slow.
Easy, Triton. Down. Here.
He's jumping.
She's like, that is some good birthday cake.
About 2 a.m. in the morning, she's going to be out in the back.
Okay, he's going to throw up. Give some more of that to Sydney. He's seriously going to yak.
Here.
I can't believe. No. She's had enough. She's had enough.
Happy birthday, Triton.
Right off the table.
She's like, this is awesome.
Yeah, growing up on the farm, I never thought I'd be doing that.
Eat that.
Here, Chief.
Want that tea?
Here, Keith, get out of the way so I can get the picture with the chair.
Because we aren't eating that.
Oh, so tasty.
That must be really good to them.
Smell it.
Fun.
All right, you can turn on the
Probably,
shrimp
I
button.
think.
No, that's all right.